Hello everyone, happy weekend. How was your trade last week? Um, I hope you made some progress. Even if you ended at a negative 1%, negative 2%, it's still okay. Next week you'll come up. The major idea in Forex, the psychology in Forex is to make sure that you apply proper money management. If in a week you even make 1% growth in your account, it's big, it's huge. Okay? If you make 2% of your account in a week, you make 5% of your account in a week, it's huge. So you mustn't make 30%, 50% in a week before you are okay. Okay, so I want to start looking at telling you what I'm looking at next week for those of you following me. So you can also look at those pairs and see how they play out. Some of the trends started on Friday, but it's going to continue into next week. So we'll be looking at those pairs and we'll be seeing what the predictions are. Okay. The first of them on my list is AUDNZD. I've been watching this AUDNZD on Friday. This is on Friday. You can see it's pulling back. It's showing that there's a buy trend and there is a pullback. Okay. And if you my last video, I talked about this and I told you when it breaks this level, I will be entering. So I'm still looking at this pair, AUDNZD. I'm still looking at it to see that when it breaks this level, okay, that level should be um, 1.05831. Okay, so when price forms above this line, okay, then we'll enter. Because if you look critically, that's about the last resistance that we need to break to enter. So I'm looking at this. Um, that's my first pick. Then I'm looking at it to get here. Okay, so it will get at about this point. So it will be a very good one. It will give me a ratio of about 1:2 for more indication, except it doesn't execute. Okay, so it should give me a ratio of about 20 pips, and that's about 37 pips. So it's a good one. It's a good look. So watch out for this on Monday next week to see when it breaks that line. The next is GBP USD. GBP USD has been on a buy trend. I told you guys that GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, Euro USD, that those four pairs are on a long-term buy. Okay, they are going to run up. From my prediction, they're going to run up over 400 pips. Okay, so look out for them, and don't forget that, like I said in the last video, try to buy at a low. Try to buy at a low. Don't buy at a high. You might experience some huge drawdown. Okay, you might experience some very huge drawdown. So try to buy at a low. Now GBP USD pulled back yesterday, a very good pullback, and you can see it has broken this resistance here, and it's on its way up. Okay, so it still has some way to go. It should give us at least ratio is about 45, so it should go at about 90 or so. It should go to about 90, so it should get to about of course it's on a long trend, so it's going to get better. For this wave it's going to get to about 1.2706 at about that point. Okay, so if you are not in the buy already, as I predicted in the last video, you can still enter if market doesn't jump on Monday. Okay, so if market is still in this region, it's still a very good place to enter, because this is the entry point. This is the entry candle. This candle was what broke it, and that's the point to enter. 1.26166. Okay, so it's pulling up to about 90 pips from my prediction. So watch out, GBP USD. And then the other is Bitcoin. Presently, I just looked at Bitcoin over the weekend to see if there's an opportunity, and wow, there's an opportunity in Bitcoin. There, you can see that there is a massive sell trend, the market pull back. Okay, market pull back, and it wants to continue the sell. So Bitcoin has some very good opportunities here. It has broken this the support. It has broken the support here already, and it's going to continue downwards. So expect Bitcoin to move. It's about 101. It should go down to about 100 and about say 200. So it will get to about 900. Okay, 9,000. So Bitcoin will go for about 9,000 from my prediction soon. It will head to $9,000 to a Bitcoin. You can see the sell trade, the sell trend, a pullback, and the continuation. So don't forget your stop loss. You have stop losses. Don't forget your stop loss should be here for Bitcoin. Your stop loss should be there. Don't forget. Okay, and you are predicting it to come as low as this. In GBP USD, your stop loss should be below. Your stop loss should be below here. Okay, so always set your stop loss and use good money management. Very important. We have to beat this market together. Now, when this pulls up and breaks this point, the stop loss should be just beneath here. Okay, so GBP USD. Then my fourth pick is USD CHF. If Euro USD is on a buy trend, of course, by correlation, by correlating, USD CHF should be on a sell trend. Okay, now you can see there's a general sell trend and there's a very good pullback. This is a very good pullback, very, very good pullback. Okay, it pulled back and it has broken the support here. It has broken the support here. So it's going to go down. It's going to go down to about this lower channel. Okay, so your stop loss should be somewhere here. Stop loss should be somewhere there. Oh, I didn't pick that. The stop loss should be somewhere here. Your stop loss should be about here. Okay, your entry is here. Your entry is 0.94155, and it's going to get to about this point. So if we're lucky that market did not jump over over the weekend, you can utilize this trend. So please enter this region. Okay, enter this region, very important, and set your stop loss. This is my pick for on Monday. On Monday, we are going to see. I'm going to make another video and give you updates when I see opportunities. I'm going to share with you. Please follow this channel. Follow this channel. My target is to give signals that using the Genesis system, tell you how, so you can see the psychology of Genesis system. Okay, if you have not downloaded, if you have not watched the Genesis system, please go watch it. Download the indicators and follow me. Subscribe, click the like button. Very important for us to keep going. Thank you very much for watching.